Hello students, this is Prakasam sir from Math Beyond Marks, where you can learn mathematics by learning concepts and score good marks. If you understand, there is no problem, but don't try to memorize the mathematics formulas or anything. You just try to create, because now in this lesson we are creating lot of number systems. So you are the creators, so why to memorize? Okay. Now, in this video also we are going to see the figure it out exercise from page number 73 from Mesopotamian number system. Okay, this is part 9 in this series of figure it out exercise alone, and totally 50-second video in my series. If you didn't watch, please watch all those videos and get benefited. Also, subscribe and click the bell icon so that you can receive the notifications and watch whenever I am posting the videos. Shall we go and see what sums and what type of questions they are asking? Okay, this is the question taken from figure it out exercise, page number 73. Only one question is there, but 5 subdivisions are there. We have to explain using Mesopotamian system. Represent the following numbers in the Mesopotamian system. We will recall, in Mesopotamian number system they used a wedge like this symbol for 1, and like this one symbol chavalan something they are saying, that symbol for 10. They used up to 59 in the same 59. How they will write? No, 50 and 1, 50 means 5 and 9 ones they wrote, so 59. But for 60 alone, again they use the same symbol, wedge symbol, but it is in 360s place and 360s place and 3600s place, like that will go on. Okay, 60, 360, 3600 place, like that they went in multiples of this one. So now let us go. Okay, what is that? For this answer, first question 63 means what you have to do? Take one symbol, this one, or 10 symbols you have to use. If not, what we can do is one symbol like this, wedge symbol, 1, and down we are writing, because they wrote vertically, 3 symbols of wedge. Again, like this 1, 2, 3. I cannot write wedge symbol, so like this 3. So this is now 63. 60 in the first place and down 3, that means 63 is this one. Then outright 132. 132 means 120. 120 means 2 in the top position. 2 in the top position, 120, and here there is nothing, 2 is there, 132. Then 10. 10 in the tens place and 2 in the ones place. Now this is the answer. So this is 132. Are you clear, my dear children? So 60, simply 1. 60 writing only difficult. Suppose if I write one wedge, then there should be a gap. There is no placeholder. There is no place in this one. Just we have to leave gap and they have to understand. So they struggled. That's what the drawbacks of this number systems. We are having a fine-tuned number system because we evolved from all this number system. In 60 square place, that is 3600 square place, one symbol. Okay, I am writing the same. Then in 3600 plus 0 is there. In 60 power 1, there is no, we are leaving gap. Okay, then in 60 power 0, that is 1's place, we are writing this 1. That's all. So this is 3600 and not 1, 5. That means I have to write 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 symbols I have to write. This is 3605. Are you able to understand, my dear children? It's little bit confusing, but it is clear also. Confusing means what? 60, 360, 3600. It goes on multiples of 60. Okay. So there is underlying a base 10 system also. 10 times, 10 times, 10 times it goes. But what to do? We have to understand and write according to the given system. Our next video is from page number 76 Mayan numbers. Shall we meet there? Until then, bye from your Pragasham sir.